Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, FIat guys, all these vehicles are made by the Chrysler FIat Corporation. And you guys, first time you start the car, okay, you hear noise coming from behind the dash guys, okay, or every time you change your let's say heater temperature guys, climate control temperature, or where the fan blows, let's say in the dash vents or the windshield or the footwell guys, you hear that clicking noise and that disappears after a few seconds. It may sound something like super noisy, like something like a woodpecker behind the dash pretty much. We'll explain guys what can cause that, so stay with us, that's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos guys, and this is the case with this Dodge here. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy replacement parts for your Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, FIat vehicle guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get parts and tools for a really good price, fast shipping as well. So we have guys this 2015 Dodge Dart. On startup guys, every time I turn the ignition on, I start the car, it makes turbo noise behind the dash. It sounds something like tick 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 and then it disappears guys. What causes that now guys? It's most of the times, okay, 90% of the times it's caused by a faulty blend door actuator. What is a blend door actuator? Let me explain quick guys. Okay, I'm going to go inside the vehicle and show you quick. Now, let me just move a few things. We have a glove box here, okay, on the way I need to move it so I can sit here and show you, but I will show you guys, okay, what a blend door actuator is and what it does. So we have this Dodge Dart guys, but doesn't matter if you have Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, FIat, all of the system works about the same. The only difference is whether you have dual climate control, like we do for the driver's side, you can set the temperature, or the passenger side separately guys, or we have a single climate control where you can just set the temperature, okay, cold or hot for both spots. So that will be the only difference. Why? Because if you have dual climate control, we have one extra thing of those. Okay, and why is that guys? Because you will need a separate machine like that to control the temperature for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. So you will have two blend door actuators. But you actually guys have one more blend door actuator, and this is the actuator guys that actually opens and closes the flap and controls where the air blows through. Let's say the dash vents, footwell, or the windshield guys. So you have another one. So altogether you may have up to 3 blend door actuators, and those actuators guys, what they do, okay, it's a plastic, okay, it's a plastic mechanism. It has a few plastic gears inside, and this is a little bitty motor, okay, you know, like the little bitty ones that you have in the little bitty kids cars. Okay, what it does, it actually turns, okay, and it's going to turn a few plastic wheels and it will activate that mechanism and it will open or close the flap. We guys replaced quite a few in the past on all kind of vehicles, not just Dodge, Jeep, FIat, Chrysler, all of them are made about the same. Sooner or later they fail guys. And why they do? Because the plastic gears inside either crack, which is the most common one we've noticed, or they wear out. And as a result, it will start skipping. Okay, and that skipping, it will try to go, but it will skip, 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 and it will sound like tick, 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 tick behind the dash guys for a few seconds, and it will go away because the computer will deactivate it after some time. So that's what's causing that now guys. Okay, if you have dual climate control, you have two for the temperature. One is on the left side, one is on the right. Okay, I'm going to show you quick where this one is located. So let me just get to the other side and I can show you quick, okay, where it is guys and what you can expect. Now we have a video on the channel that explains how to replace those. If you want, check it out. It's on Dodge Dart. We made a video on Dodge Journey as well. Quite a few Dodges that we've worked on, but we had to remove the glove box to access it, and that device guys, okay, comes, okay, it goes right here inside and it stays there guys. So that device, okay, is right here, it goes inside the mechanism, okay, and controls that. So all that we access through the, okay, through the glove box. This is for the passenger side. The driver side is the same thing, but it's on the other side. You may need to remove a few covers there. And the blend door actuator, where it actually sends the air through the vents here or the footwell, is most of the times on the driver's side as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.